Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use a controller on Bluestacks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, connect your controller to your computer. If you're using a wired controller, plug it into an available USB port. If you're using a wireless controller, connect it to your PC using Bluetooth and make sure it's successfully paired. Once your controller is connected, open Bluestacks on your computer. Next, click the three lines icon and open Settings from the menu. From the Settings menu, open the Gamepad section and make sure controller support is enabled. If your controller is connected properly, Bluestacks should detect it automatically. Now, launch the game you want to play. In many games, the controller will start working automatically. However, some games may require you to customize the controller layout. To do that, click the keyboard controls icon on the right side of the Bluestacks window. This will open the controls editor where you can view and edit the current control mappings. Here you can assign controller buttons to different in-game actions. For example, you can map the A button to jump, assign the left joystick for movement, or customize any other controls according to your preference. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use a controller on Bluestacks. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.